Hello again, everybody. The next car that you selected to view on ClassicMuscleCars.com is another new arrival. Now, this car is a little bit special and unique. It's a beautiful 1967 GTO, but I've got the owner standing here next to me that we're going to sell the car for. And what is your name?
Janet.
Now, if you notice, too, it's cool. It says Jan's 67 on here. Now, this is a woman gearhead. You know, we don't get too many opportunities to talk to ladies who drive muscle cars. And this one is driving a beautiful Tyrol blue GTO. Now, how long have you had this car, just for curiosity, Janet?
Actually, we built it from scratch.
So you were involved in that whole process, right?
About 8 years.
About 8 years. Wow. Somebody's going to get a car out there. It's got a lot of heart and soul in it, right?
Absolutely.
In the 30 years that we've been selling muscle cars at ClassicMuscleCars.com, we've had quite a few GTOs that have graced the showroom floor. They've come and gone. This one is kind of unique because it's lady-owned. She was involved in the restoration process of this car, and it's a beautiful GTO. And as time moves on, things change, and cars, they change hands. This is an opportunity for someone to get a car that hasn't been on the market for quite a while, and this is beautifully set up. I like the way this car is done. It's got a Build 400 in it. It's got a tilt column, wood wheel. It's got the factory dual gauge shifter. It's also a parchment interior, which is beautiful, with this beautiful base coat, clear coat blue that's on the exterior of the car. It's also got a hood tag. Got polished torque thrust rims. Just got a great look, and the car is a fantastic looking car. The car runs, drives, stops, steers, does everything you'd want this car to do. It's been gone through on the mechanical side with a lot of expertise. So this is a good car for someone out there who wants to get into a car that they can drive and enjoy and have a lot of fun with. Now, give Randy a call, 847-526-5950. He's got the complete specs, the complete rundown of this car. Somebody is going to own a beautiful 1967 GTO that's got a lot of get up and go.